A soul tie can be being with somebody for a period of time, having intercourse with them, but we never really did love them. We never really, or we grow attached to them, what they were doing to us, but it's not birthed out of really any, what you'd call commitment. So when one person moves on, a part of you remains. So you can't continue your life without them. You feel like you wake up and see them. You always want to call them. Every time you see them, you feel hurt. Every time you feel them, you feel like you'd have murdered them or something. And so it hinders you from moving on with your life. You always want them back. If them come back and take you, they will do you all kind of thing and you still want them back. That's a soul tie. Right? So it means this that is happening to me, I find myself can't go in another relationship. I can't move forward. I can't love anybody else. I can't really give of myself to another person because of my connection with the one before. That's a soul tie. So how do you break from that? Is, remember now, it means that your mind is affected, your will was affected, and you're emotionally affected. So you have to deal with the three of them. Your mind, you have to renew it with the word of God. Your will, you have to set up boundaries from not seeing them or calling them. Your emotions now, you're going to have to lean on God to heal your emotions. So that means now, my praise is going to church, reading my Bible, find new friends, desires, joy up yourself, praise and worship, set up your boundaries, meaning don't call them, don't go into them space, pray for them, forgive them. So all of these things over time will free up or cleanse the soul.